Rafał, and together with my teammate Kasia. And when working with voice, we discovered that it works exceptionally well when it provides hands-free experience to existing experiences like mobile or desktop. So the question we had in our minds was whether we can provide hands-free experience in video games. And it turns out we can.
So we've entered the universe of StarCraft, and by connecting that to Alexa, we created a certain person. We created her. Her name is Captain Kate Blackwater, and she's your virtual assistant in the game. So we created a character that operates between you and the game. So if you're a gamer and you're sitting in front of your computer, there are so many things that you have to take into consideration. The battles, your enemy, and your... All you have to do is you interact with keyboard, but right now you can interact by your Captain Kate. But I'm telling a lot about Kate, but let her introduce herself. Computer, open Captain.
Welcome, Marshal. My name is Kate Blackwater, and I was assigned to work alongside with you. I am here to help you command your army. You can tell me to manage soldiers and workers, or ask me about battlefield status.
So she's there under your every command, and what she does, Rafa will guide you.
Alright, so we'll show you really quick how it works.
I am having trouble connecting to the audio file URI.
Okay. So we have StarCraft, and for those who don't know this game, just a quick intro. So I have my base, where are my workers who collect resources that I can use to build buildings, to train my army, etc. And the problem that players often run into is that they also have a battlefield which is far from their base. So I'm fighting my enemy at their base, which is at the other side of the map, and while I'm in the middle of the fight, I also need to keep track of things happening at my base, which is far away, and I need to constantly switch between base, battlefield, base, battlefield. So that's kind of like time-consuming. So that's where Kate comes handy, just like in real army. So I can say, computer, tell captain to send 5 soldiers.
Affirmative.
She said affirmative. So my troops are fighting the enemy, who's showing that in here. And what I can see at my base is that Kate's doing a great job because she set up 5 soldiers to be trained, and those guys will be sent by her to my troops who are obviously losing the fight over here once they're ready, after their training. So I can do that while I'm keeping track of the battle that's happening over here. Now another thing is that I lost, which means the enemy is coming after me very soon. And I know there are some of my people hanging out somewhere outside of the base. So those are workers. They're kind of like far away from the base, and if I know the enemy is coming, it would be great to hide them to the base so that they won't be killed. So I can say, computer, tell captain to evacuate everyone.
Evacuating SCV.
And as you can see, those guys are escaping into safety. So they probably won't get killed. So to keep it really quick, I think we're going to finish over here. Just a few more words from Kasia.
So we really took some time to think about the person, the Captain Blackwater. We wanted to make her as real as possible, so we decided to use custom voice and set her in the setup of army. So whatever she says is very army-based. Quick commands, very helpful, and she says a lot of Roger that. And why gaming? Gaming is a huge industry and a huge market. And voice is not there, or hardly there. So we decided to experiment with the concept and see what can be done. And actually it is working. So that's it. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have 20 seconds. If there's a very quick question.
Is there a special requirement as a player, or can everybody use that who's playing?
So for this thing, you need to install our agent app. So you install it on your computer. It connects to our AWS infrastructure, which handles commands, and it plays with StarCraft, so it executes some commands.
All right. Thank you very much.